So here is the 4 o'clock update here. Fire plus what forecast. So a few showers ending this evening, then clearing. Risk of a thunderstorm early this evening. Still somehow, don't know why. And then Thursday, we got ourselves a 6% chance of showers. Then late in the afternoon, with the risk of a thunderstorm late in the afternoon as well. And then that continues Thursday night, 6% chance of showers in the evening with the risk of a thunderstorm. So that'll probably be our last solid chance at a thunderstorm. I thought it would be today, but tomorrow might be not too bad as well. URL, HRR, and even NAM's pretty but otherwise still pretty good. Pretty much every mod is pretty good with tomorrow. Might be of similar constitute as how today went for areas to our north. Might be just a bunch of multi-cellular crap, but we'll see. Anyways, here's a fire update. The beginning of the fire update here. Not too much. Yeah. We were at 205 before, so it'd be nice to see where we're at now. Yeah. Current stats. 201 we're down. 4. Ooh. Yeah. The amount of fires we were experiencing in the last 2 days is gradually decreasing. Actually, quite rapidly, actually. 100 coastal fires. Every area has experienced over 100 fires. After over 100 fires, except Northwest. Yeah, should just move there. And then we got fires of note. So we just got 2 here. We got George Road, Lytton to start. George Road's update just looks like resources. And they've increased the fire size to 1,035. Wonder why. They don't say why they increased it so much from 350 to that, so. And then we got Lytton. Uh, 7,723. Yeah, to finish it off, we got Chilako here. 1,471. And yes, you can see by the glare, it's getting fucking sunny outside. There's blue sky, I can see. Fucking unbelievable. What a day. I'll see you guys later on with a lightning plus radar update. I was just... Yep. And here's the lightning plus radar portion of the update. Yeah. Lightning activity is decreasing some. Kootenays are picking up. And there's a radar update. And I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. And here's the radar. Sitting almost right under the upper low. And as my concern was, it goes just to our east. It's not blatantly visible, but Yeah. No thunderstorms. Lovely. We'll see what we get tomorrow. Looks like multicellular garbage like they got up there. I've managed to do stuff. But, yeah. I'll see you guys later on today. So this is the second attempt at a fucking interruption, and now we gotta redo all this. But yeah, still fuck ton of fires, whoopie day. Fucking else is new. I'm getting pissed off at this point. This weather sucks. Stupid amount of fires, no good weather. Up from 204, 10 fires, so 10 fires. Jeez, look at the race, Prince George, Southwest, and Caribou, look at that. 134, 134, 132. And then Kamloops just like fucking gone. Nearly double of all those. Alright, we gotta go through this crap again. So we got churn, 1400. Purdy, fucking 90 hectares. This is where we were at before I got rudely interrupted. Then we got all of the Prince George ones here. Chilocco, 1,471 hectares. No, fuck off. Cutoff Creek, 1,589 hectares. Tent Fire Creek, 815 hectares. Oops. Not fucking... How hard is it to fucking... Still the same size. It's like, I swear to God. They change it like a couple sentences and that's it. Again, I gotta check to see if there's no other... Napier, this is a new one. 25 hectares. $39,251 still. Did they really say 3 milliliters of rain? Why the fuck do you use that measurement for fucking rainfall? And then we got Bulkley Lake. Another new one, 120 hectares. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah. So here's the forecast. I gotta be doing this at a relatively fire up there. I gotta be doing this at a decent pace here. Fucking shit coming up in 10 minutes. I gotta get shit done in the next 10 minutes. So 6% chance of showers late this afternoon. Risk of a thunderstorm late this afternoon. Pretty good. Winds northwest, 20 gusts to 50 beginning of this afternoon. That's pretty good as well. And then tonight again, 6% chance of showers this evening with a risk of a thunderstorm. That's nice. And then gusty winds becoming light this evening. And then winds get gusty tomorrow beginning in the afternoon as well with a nice high of 33 and a humidity value of 36. Today's outlook. So this was actually the initial outlook for today. We're in the B area very blatantly. 80K gusts, 1 centimeter, 10-20 millimeter, and isolated thunderstorms. That was the initial outlook we were in. And then we got switched to this. We're still in the B area. Where the B and A area are the exact same, but the only difference is our threat. Well, the big threat will be in the early evening hours. I'd say more late afternoon, early evening, kind of like how they have the forecast. But 70K gusts, 1-2 centimeter sized hail, and 5 to 15 millimeters of rainfall. So they lowered the rainfall and winds a bit. Otherwise, they actually even upped the hail size. So there's that. And then we got the fire update here. This is gonna be the fucking annoying part. Especially when we gotta do this. Nope, whatever. Would you fuck right off? So this is the fires right now. Yeah. Still there. Still a fair fucking bit of them. And then we sit at from 214. Still at 214. Oh no, 206. There we go. It's all possible. We could have been still at 214. And then we got fire update. Wildfires of note. So we got the Canham Lake. 1,100 hectares. Yeah, it's evacuation alert and all that crap. Deca Lake. 650 hectares. Chilocco, 1,451. Cutoff Creek, 1,928 hectares. Yeah. Tent Fire, 915 hectares. Durand Lake, 277, still out of control, but we see precip yesterday. George Road, 1035. Yeah, they've made it smaller now. 8,807 hectares. I guess we just do nap here. 56 hectares. $25,015 hectares. They're real. It's nice. 5 to 10 millimeters precip yesterday on it. That's not bad. Sparks. 39,251 still. And to finish her off, we got the Northwest Bulk Fleet Fire in here, lake, at 120 hectares. And that'll be it there. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Before I show you guys the big news, this is the lightning now. Quite a bit of it already. It's only fucking 3 o'clock. The actual big threat for us actually doesn't start till this evening. Like this afternoon, right? Probably in the next hour or so, give or take. But there is a shit ton of lightning. Bunch to the northwest there, and then a bit to our east there as well. But this is not even the big news. Oh, what the fuck? But yeah, I'll show you guys what's just happening in a little bit. Boom! Goddard tells the CVA, first one in quite a while. It's been since June. But yeah, severe thunderstorms capable of strong winds, large hail, and brief by heavy downpours. That's meant to say but, and that's a bit of a grammar error there. A bunch of spelling error, sorry. But yeah, this afternoon through this evening, short-lived, but peaked in nickel-sized hail, 5 to 15 millimeters of rainfall. Yep. It's good. It's looking good. I'm liking the signs of that. For us, I'm not too concerned for the next couple hours. Like, probably till about... I'd say I'm not concerned about anything until about 8 o'clock. Really, I don't expect too much until probably about, like, around dinner time, around 5 o'clock. Well, maybe not dinner time. Let's go 4 o'clock. But yeah, let's go with the radar here. Well, I don't even actually know what it looks like. Yeah, but we got initiation just to our east here, actually. This is just the start, though. This is literally just the start. They have the region down here, the Grand Forks area, under a CVA, so obviously initiation hasn't started there yet, so we're on that waiting there. But you can tell how slow moving these will be. We're basically going to need a... we're basically going to need a fucking development right to our east or right over us today. But yeah. I'll see you guys later on today. Here we go. So this is how it's looking right now. I got the stuff here, and we come over here, and we got stuff right here. Yeah. It's just the start of the strip water. It doesn't even really have anything coming in until about late this afternoon, like late this afternoon into the evening hours. So that's usually prime time anyways for some good storms. So yeah, we'll see how things go. It's just obviously gonna be a slow start, but it'll gradually pick up. It's a bit of high cloud cover, but I don't think that'll be of a concern, especially considering this is going up with high cloud cover around anyways. So yep, I'll see you guys later on. Here's the ongoing lightning situation. You can see just to right of my finger there's some good lightning close by, and then a bunch elsewhere, and then you can see right to the left my finger, a bunch of lightning down there. That's actually severe one, the thunderstorms down there. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting what we get. The strip bar still on top. I'm saying something. Things will get more going around late this afternoon, late this afternoon, early this evening. Either way, I'll see you guys later on. So here it is down here. It's so close too. It's right here. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Otherwise, it's still looking okay. We got initiation to our south, so that's a good sign that there will be further initiation closer and still to the south. This anvil doesn't look like it's going to affect too much anyways. The main concern of area where initiation I expect is down here, and so far that's looking good. It looks pretty nice down there, so we'll see. I don't expect any initiation right above me, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get that this evening, as the environment still continues to destabilize. So yeah, not doing radar updates just because, well, 4 o'clock updates soon anyways. But here's another lightning update. Fair bit of lightning everywhere. This is only going to uptick from here, more than likely. Here we go. Holy cock. I'm being serious. I wonder if I can just see the lightning from here. I mean, it'll be shit, but look at the state of this. Multi-cell. Fun times over here. My lord. Right back in there, I can almost see the actual probable base. It's just in the back there. Man, it's so fucking close. I mean, it'll still be going on after 6 o'clock. So, and that's actually, I want to genuinely say, probably peak thunderstorms during the summer, like peak intensity, or peak everything peak, is probably around 4 or 7 o'clock, between that time frame. Obviously, depending on the threat. but generally every threat fits in between that period. There's thunder. It's like literally, if I were to go onto those ridges right now, every fucking lightning strike would be visible. It's just that close. And the thing is, because this is multicellular, this is going to stick around for a while. Especially since this is... I really expect this to stick around for as long as possible. It's not like yesterday, where it was a cool, moist day. Today's a moist, warm day. Frequent thunder. Very faint. Sounds like planes, but it's thunder. Not saying I'm not doing a 4 o'clock update. I'm just going to do the lightning separate here. Oh, Jesus. This is such a fucking tease, man. It's pissing me off. So here's the forecast. I don't know what's... I think someone forgot the severe tag for with the risk of a thunderstorm. There should be a risk of a severe thunderstorm. We're going to go with that because fuck them. I can see a bunch of cumulus to my southeast right now, I'm just noticing. Might be getting going here in a bit. But... yeah, lightning detection still going off. Fucking hell. Fucking since 3 o'clock it's just been going off. I reduced the fucking range of the notification. I'm still getting a fucking bunch of it. I was going to show you guys the radar, but it's in the middle of the update. Fucking hell. Anyways. This is how it looks, fire-wise. Yeah. It's gonna be a significant increase after this. Lightning. Shit again. Ooh, I just heard a nice rumble of thunder, I think. Either that or it was a motorcycle. Sounded too low to be a motorcycle. Current stats, 202, still going down. And then fires of note. We got churn 1400. Big Stick Lake. 85 being held. Purdy Lake, 190 hectares. And then Canham Lake, 1100 hectares. And then we got Cutoff Lake, Cutoff Lake, the Prince George region, 6,064 hectares. Lytton. $8,807. McKay, 25,015 hectares. Oops. Sparks, 39,251. $250 hectares bulkly. On that note, I'll see you guys with the radar in just a little bit. Let's go! Let's go! Severe warning in place! Yes! Look! 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 Oh! 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 Here we go. See how this does. Alerts for Okanagan. And there it is. See you guys in a little bit. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a quick look out here. Oh my god. Oh. It's the stuff that kind of just falling apart here. Oh baby. And here's the new stuff. It's even actually. Wow. Chunky Rumble Thunder. So here's your severe storm right down there. It's right in that corner there. And then it looks like there's even more development occurring right here. So there's still rumbles of thunder right to our east, despite what looks like to be looks like it's wisping out. stuff behind us. But as I suspected, here it goes. This is when it all comes down right here. Very late afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock. To the early evening hours, to the mid-evening hours. I'm gonna kill myself. I don't want to live here anymore. There's 100% something happening right in front of me here. Happening right in front of me. There's no way in hell there's nothing. I've just watched that become a lot more dense. Heard thunder rumbles from right back in there. I'm convinced there's something in there. I'm convinced. I'm also convinced I saw it. Yeah. Oh, it's from behind me. See that there? I'm convinced it's all right in a U shape right here. Basically. From here down there. I'm convinced I might need to go up there in a bit. My spot in a bit. Well, that might screw up that bit here. It'll improve this bit here. Because from what I can tell, it's the storm motion is starting to switch to northwesterly. But because of some other reasons, it's moving north. It's just not coming off the ridges, so it's actually going straight west. But I am convinced something's happening over here. I'm actually going to stand up here. I'm convinced something's happening right here. And I might be biking up in a bit. I'll be a tad closer, a tad further south. I'll be actually southeast of this position, but higher up. If I do go up, it'll be after a lightning and radar update. So, yeah. I'm convinced this thing's picked up in intensity. Boom. Boom. Heard it. Back here. I heard rumbles of thunder, right? I gotta check. It's right back in there. Last chance, and it's all falling apart. Last chance to the right of my finger there, and that's it. It looks like it's all trying to go to our east now. If I'm lucky, I might be able to see that at least. I just saw a little flash. So it is going. Yeah, I want to head out there as soon as I can. Not right away, but as soon as I can. But yeah, little flash. Best chance of the year. I could cam wise, definitely the best chance of the year. Had probably the best cam presentation of a direct hit, I think, all year. overall, no, well, obviously not the best. But, like I said, cam-wise, getting hit by something, it's the best chance we've had. Here's the lightning update. There's not much under my thumb that's really notable. Just focus on everything else. Yeah. Decent bit of lightning everywhere still. Just in a more concentrated area in southern BC. It's just the Coots and, well, it's not as widespread anymore, I guess you would say. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on. I might try to check out the lightning down to just to our southwest, but only if the lightning gets within detection range. And here's the radar. I sure forgot to show that. Doesn't look like it'll get into range whatever lightning happens to our southwest, so fun times. We're going to just take a quick look outside and see if that is visible. If we remember from Canada Day, that was visible, plenty visible during the night, so maybe it'll be visible now. I'm going to go check it out real quick here. Start off straight up simple here. Lightning update. It's going good to our east. Might make it here, might not. We'll see. It's not for sure, obviously. I'm doubtful, but it's all possible. It's all possible. But yeah, otherwise, much to our west, still north, and then way further to our east. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll make sure I'm ready for it if it's coming in or not. I'm doubtful, but we'll see, like I said. And now our radar plus fire update. Here's how the radar is looking. This is the start here. Doesn't actually look like it's coming this way, but you can see that stuff up to the north was, so I just assumed that was, but maybe not, but yeah. Should mention this. I might be ending the video tomorrow, depending if there's a thunderstorm risk or not. It looks like there may be one, but not too sure just yet. Here's the fire update now. Yeah, doesn't look too much more. I don't think there is much more. Yeah. So the lightning, it's been pretty rain-filled, so I'm not too surprised there's not too many new fires. People are all concerned about it, but I'm not, because they're pretty rain-filled. Yeah, unlike the earlier ones in July. And then 204 to 211. So yeah, we're hanging around the low 200s. Yeah. And we got basically 90% of the fires of note to update you on here. Let's get into that. So we got churn. 2,495. Yeah. I guess let's go pretty. 220. Big stick. Still being held, 85. Cannon Lake, 1,250. Deca Lake, 650. Not too bad. Chilako, 1,474. Cutoff Creek, 6,064. Duran Lake, 277. Still out of control. George Road, 1,035. Still apparently, I don't know why it's still a wildfire now. It's so annoying. Lytton Creek, 8,807. Thunderstorm activity, fuck you. Napier Lake, 56 hectares. And to finish her off, we got Bulkley, 250. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. And here's the radar tonight, or more, so overnight, well, overnight, to end it off with a, I guess, I wouldn't say day, but to end it off until the morning hours. On that note, I'll see you guys in the morning. What a fucking bust, man. Alright, it's the last clip of the video. We got no thunderstorm threat today. They kept it east of us. So, yeah, it's just gonna be a fire update to end it off here. Doesn't look like there's too many more fires. Yeah, looks like the lightning. There's been enough rainfall that it has been too many new fire starts. I'm actually just gonna be curious to see the fire risk rating in a bit here. Check that out. Alright, let's see. So we haven't, okay, yeah. So down here it's actually not too bad. It's still pretty shit up here, but otherwise, where it was really all going down, it was pretty bad. But now it's okay. So we're at 219, up from 211, I believe, last night. So, yeah. Oh, and I'll have to check the fires of no and which ones I need to show you guys, so I'll give you guys that in a little bit. Alright, so it's going to be every single one except the ones in the Prince George Fire Center. Start off with Churn Creek. We had here 655, Jesus. Being held. Hopefully my battery can hold here for about a few minutes here, 3 to 5 minutes. God damn. And then we got Big Stick, 72 and being held as well. Purdy Lake, 595. Cannon Lake, 1,250. And to finish it off for the Caribou, we got Deca Lake, 650. Downgraded the evacuation order. I believe that was actually yesterday. I just didn't mention it yesterday. Durham Lake, 277. Downgraded evacuation order to alert. George Road, 1,035 still. I don't know what all they ever change is the resources. It's so fucking silly. I guess we'll just do McKay. Oh, come on. 25,015. Uh, 8,807. Man, that risk though. They say today scattered thunderstorms for Lytton and they're nowhere near a threat. Nice. $56. Napier. Sparks. 39,251. And to finish her off, we got the Northwest. Bulkley Lake, 250 hectares. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.